Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about what 2019 will entails, especially here on my channel. Based on a few recent events that have occurred, I'm deciding to only feature females in my videos. So everybody that you see in this video, all their pictures, those are the females in dancehall that I'm going to be featured, whether it's going to be a song review, pen and paper like my husband do, or I'm gonna feature their song in my video or at the end of my videos. I'm featuring only female dancehall artists in 2019. The only way a man can be featured on my channel is if they have a song featuring a female, like Governor and Jada Kingdom song. That song can be featured on my channel. And the only other way that you can get your song here on my channel is if me just really like a song and I feel like it deserves a review. But majority of the time it's going to be female dancehall artists only, and it's gonna be called Pum Pum Power 2019. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I've realized that in dancehall music the females get overlooked, and in any entertainment field I find that women have a difficult time, and especially in this entertainment business, whether it's vlogging, whether it's music, people seem to think that women cannot be in the entertainment field and do as good as the men, or they don't know music and they shouldn't be doing this and they shouldn't be doing that. Well, this is 2018 and women are doing the same thing that men are doing. Men are talking about sports, being sports commentators. Women are talking about entertainment, and especially in dancehall I find that the women are always overshadowed, like they're always. And that's why I'm going to do what I'm gonna do for 2019. I need a woman's music to be pushed more. A lot of these vloggers push men music and they push their favorite artist music, but they really don't pay attention to female artists and when they drop new stuff. So from January 1st 2019, it will only be females on my channel, and everybody that you see in this video clip will be featured. If they drop a new song in 2019 or they have an old song that I like, their music is going to be featured. I find it very, very disheartening that people still think that women don't know music and they don't know dancehall music, especially because that's furthest thing from the truth. If you know anything about music, you know all the big top shot people in music had female backings behind them, somebody working behind the scenes that's a female to help them propel their career. But that's neither here nor there. I'm just giving you guys a forewarning just so you guys know what 2019 is going to entail for Brains and the Beat and Brains on the Beat channel. And if you guys are wondering where I got this idea from, it's actually from Chirac the movie. If you haven't seen that movie, go watch it. It's very good. I just want the females in dancehall to come together and push out music consistently and work together. Like, I would love to see a all female show happen in dancehall for 20. Some of the top names, newcomers, veterans, up and coming artists and put them on a stage and let them perform all together. That would be awesome. They would make a whole lot of money. So like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below. And big up to all of the female dancehall artists. You guys don't get your props, but y'all be working your butts off. And then I'm gonna talk about a few of these artists and what I need to see more of from each one of them. The Angel, I'm gonna need you to get off social media and actually put out some consistent music. Shauna, the same thing for you. Spice, yeah, the mama, yeah, the boss. I don't really have no constructive criticism for you. Well, I do. I need you to actually filter out the pictures that are on Google and update them with new PR and marketing pictures, because some of the pictures on Google of you are very unmarketable, I would say. Starface, she's doing her thing. I need her to be more vocal with her music, promote her music more. Dovey Magnum, me I gonna need another hit from you. Ball Out is not gonna cut it. For 2019, I'm sure you have another ball out in your back pocket or working on it. Jada, I'm gonna need you to actually brand yourself, and that's Jada Kingdom. Brand yourself as an artist and not as a bikini model. You have a very unique voice, and I feel like you have your own place in dancehall. Contrary to popular belief, I actually really like Jada's music a lot more than a lot of these artists' music that they're trying to push. Well, female artists. Die, I love what you're doing. I love how you use your platform and you speak your mind, and I like that you wear your natural hair and you don't look like everybody else in dancehall. Same thing with Lola Smiles. I'm gonna need you to rebrand yourself and make sure you have promo marketable pictures on Google so people can use those pictures to promote your work. Same thing with Sensia. I don't know if I'm pronouncing your name right. Please forgive me if I'm chopping it up. I need marketable promo pictures of you. I need more music from you. Cartel gave you that buzz and actually push you out there, so I'm gonna need you to continue and stick with that wave. So like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Deuces.
And preach, step over, they go beat and teach. Them a jive and I know them can't reach. Go on back up for your grandmother preach. Them a pussy on the street and me see it. Go over, they go beat and teach. Beat and teach. So beat and teach. So beat and teach.